Today I'm going to show you the 2246BN. Has the overwhelming majority of features you will find in the highest end of treatment chairs at a fraction of the price. It offers a total of 240 degrees of rotation, the most rotation of any chair that we have. This chair has an incredibly soft polyurethane upholstery. It's available in 4 colors. It's also FDA listed and ADA compliant. You can bring it to almost a fully vertical seated position. Comes standard with a set of rocker switches, both here at the back and down here at the base for the 4 motors, as well as the 1-button reset. Memory is located here only at the back. The safety sensor at the back of the chair detects any obstruction. If you are in the middle of adjusting the chair and you need it to stop at a moment's notice, simply hit that button. To reset that, twist it to the right. There's an optional hand remote and set of foot controls.